you doing, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, you've arrived at a very good time because you've missed all the boring rust repairs and all that lot that I've been doing for the past couple of months, and I'm going to start finally putting shiny parts on the car. I say, if you're new as well, I am restoring a Skyline / modifying it, building it, whatever you want to call it. And if you like that kind of stuff, subscribe to the channel because it's going to get good now. Got a few things to do today. It's a bit of a weird day today because we've not got a specific thing to do, but loads of little niggly bits. So yeah, we're going to go up to the garage, finish off the engine, and then we're going to go up to the body shop and say, what's going on, man? We need the car because it's getting painted at the minute, if you're new again. And yeah, we can't do anything until we get the car back now because everything goes on the car. So yeah, we're going to go to the garage and then go to the body shop and then figure out from there. So let's get up there and get some work done.
Let me escape from this love, 'cause I'm a prisoner. I just want to look my way and never back to you.
There he is, boys. Looking very, very pretty. Not bolted down or nothing yet, the valve covers, but yeah, so I've got to clean the shield up that goes over this. And yeah, paint it up, paint it silver probably. Okay guys, right, some more of the engine is finally assembled. We got a fuel rail on there now with this. We got stock injectors and a fuel rail pressure regulator on there. That's aftermarket. I had a few bits done before the engine was up, before the car come off the road anyway. So yeah, it's got the fuel rail pressure regulator and all that on there. It's got a half built engine. It's got the top end basically has been rebuilt. It's got an uprated head gasket at 1.2 mil. And it's got a hybrid turbo on there. But other than that, we're going to leave the engine as is at the minute. As I've just cleaned it up, that's all. Right guys, it's a few days later. As you know, the engine's all done. We've got auxiliary belts in the boot to go on the engine. We've got an oil filter in the boot to go on the engine. And yeah, we just need the car back now, but that's all on the body shop. So what we're going to do is we'll pop at the garage, check those filters on and the belts on, which is like a 10-minute job if that. And then we're going to go and become body shop and painting apprentices. Not by the body shop's choice. Basically we need the car back. They're dragging their heels as they all apparently body shops do. It's like I've not learnt my lesson bringing the car back there, but if we're going to go up there and say, if you're not going to do it, give me some sandpaper and I'll do it. So yeah, it's going to annoy him. Let's get up the garage. There he is. Old Skyline. Poor old girl. He's almost ready for paint. Okay guys, that was a complete waste of time. The body shop is rammed. There's nowhere to do anything. Obviously I said I'll do it myself, but we need extraction to do all the sanding and stuff. So he promised me basically that he'll have it in primer by Friday, so it's Tuesday now. So we're going to sack that idea off and become an apprenticed body shop people, whatever. But yeah, so what I've got to do anyway, I've purchased a set of coilovers from JDM Garage up at Holsworthy, about an hour from Plymouth. So I'm going to go up to there and get them. It was an £80 delivery and an hour's drive for saving me £80, so I'm going to collect them. I've also bought a throttle body reducer for the standard throttle body for the that intake tunnel that I fitted, because the aftermarket one looks nice, but it doesn't fit the throttle position sensor on it, so I'm going to stick with stock for a minute. Maybe one day stick the aftermarket one on, but yeah, so let's get up to Holsworthy and collect the new coilovers. Well, they're not new, they're second hand, but they look brand new on the picture, so we'll see. Let's get up there. Apparently this is where JDM Garage is, so we'll see. Follow that van, maybe he's got a delivery to JDM. Shake and bake, land the motor in. We're in the right place, boys. Little green shed, he said, to be in. This guy knows the way. Okay guys, got the coilovers. This is what we want. Not weird, but set of HSD coilovers. Second hand obviously, because I'm a cheap ass. But they're in really good nick. And they're black, and obviously everything's black on the car at the minute, so yeah, there's a little bit of corrosion. Well, I wouldn't say corrosion, where the powder coats come off here, but I'll literally just sand that back, spray it black again. And also because of our throttle body problem, we have a reducer. So yeah, nice little drive up to Holsworthy from Plymouth. It's like a little racetrack, so I think I'll be going up there more often. But yeah, look where we stopped as well. We'll knock it on the head for this video anyway, guys, because there's not a lot more I can do. We got the car to get back, and then we can put the coilovers, the wheels, the big brakes, and everything on them. This will be the next video. So like and subscribe to the channel, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take it easy.
I don't know where I am, I don't know where you take me, I don't know where you take me. I just follow your trail and I'm losing your mind.